Your story drives the way your body works. Physical and emotional stress affect our movement and our breathing. Our bodies then develop a cheat pattern or compensation in order to survive. The answer is to find and disrupt that cheat pattern and then restore optimal movement and breathing. We strength test to find out what is working and what isn't. We then intervene and retest. We divide your body into 3 sections. Zone 1, we look at breathing, hip flexion, and hip extension. Zone 2, we look at upper leg, quads, hamstrings, and as we move away from center, core musculature. Zone 3, we look at lower leg, primarily ankle function. And then zone 3 on your upper body, we look at arms and jaw. We reset zone 1, restoring breathing, hip flexion, and hip extension. Then we disrupt the cheat pattern. Your body settles into a more balanced state of being.
Activation has really helped me strengthen my mind-body connection. It's helped me walk away feeling more conscious and more connected to the way that I move.
It's kind of like a massage with a really true intent behind everything that we're doing. I feel a lot calmer. I can respond, not react to whatever's happening around me. Even yesterday in my powerlifting meet, I haven't competed in 2 years. I was able to lower my heart rate pretty significantly just kind of standing there. It really helped in that moment of higher anxiety before competing.
What I found is that I was recruiting the wrong muscles at the wrong times. You can see the progress almost immediately. Reduction in stiffness in the morning and reduction in the pain that I feel primarily in my lower and upper back.
Pete does an amazing job of kind of hitting those pressure points. I'm someone who carries a ton of tension. I work in the office 8 to 5 every day. And so this was really a great way to release some of that tension and really to re-engage or reactivate some of the muscles. And typically I feel more clear, more awake, I feel springy, I feel explosive. I also feel a lot lighter. It brings me back to kind of that center, brings me back to being 19 again.
I train roughly 21 hours a week. I work 70 hours a week, got a big family, and that all starts to accumulate lots of stress in the body. And so what activation does, it allows me to do load management, so to take all that activity, both at work level and exercise level, but then it also gives me a performance standard that releases my body to perform at its highest level. But as soon as you get off that table, you actually can feel the difference. You feel lighter, you feel a little bit more flexible. I know when I come into the gym afterwards, I'm able to lift more, go faster, lift heavier. You actually can feel it physically. There's no doubt about it.
Activation downregulates your body to a more peaceful, powerful, and creative space. To move your body the way it was meant to.